going to be replacing the air filter on this Dodge Ram 2500 limited 6.7 diesel. Typically, all you need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove those, or you could use an 8mm. Depending on the model, it might be a 10mm, but this one is going to be an 8. As well as you have to move those sliding pins to exposure filter. This vehicle has 3. Simply slide out this way, out to exposure filter. Go ahead and inspect your housing, make sure everything is working properly, and go ahead and clean the system. And align your filter with the flaps facing down. Remember to align those tabs. Once those tabs are set, you can just go ahead and start installing screws. Just like that, we're good to go.